Chill Guy is a viral TikTok meme, currently at 370 million and potentially could go still a lot higher. But literally just 2 days ago, this was nothing. This was literally under 5 million, where there were more and more people talking about it on Twitter and elsewhere. However, this already picks up on tools. This already started pumping before, and you could have gotten in much earlier. So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to find early plays. To give you an idea, these are 3 live trades I'm taking right now, and I'm in them early because you need to get in before everybody else. This is a revival play. You can see it's only at 600k market cap. I bought about 300, 350. This is a newer launch, currently at 1.7. We'll see how it goes. But again, I bought in earlier around 800k. So that's another one. This is another one, up about 50% at the moment. It was much higher, but obviously there's a lot of profit taken, around 1 million. And again, gonna see how it goes. This is actually another new launch. So it's a mixture of trades. So I'm gonna show you 2 methods, and it actually works on newer and older coins. You can see Chill Guy was a little bit of an older coin and then slowly picked up speed. Other ones you might see trending right now, but they launched 2-3 months ago. You can pick up on those too. So I'm going to show you 2 strategies on how to do it. But just before I start, if you've been enjoying my tutorials, please help support me here on YouTube so I can make more of this content. Please hit the like button, make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell. Okay, so for the first strategy, we're going to use DeckScreener, and then we're going to use a trading bot as well. So for DeckScreener, here's what you do. Go to the top left, click on the logo, and you get back to the home page here where you see lots and lots of different types of coins. And what we're doing here is, again, we're using special filters here, but now we don't want to rule out any of the older coins either. We just care about what is pumping right now. So to recap, it could be an older coin that did something a month or 2 ago and then has been dead ever since. And then suddenly, for whatever reason, there could be many, many reasons, we don't care about the reason, is starting to trend. And we don't want to hear about it 2 days later on Twitter. We need to find out before everybody else hears about it. That's the whole point of getting early into meme coins. And then the second scenario is brand new launches. The brand new launches actually you have to be a little bit more careful about. Both of these will dump if the pump is not sustained. You can absolutely take profits. Both of these potentially can run into crazy numbers, 50, 100 million and above. Again, it all depends on how much attention it gets overall. But the newer coins, what they're doing is they're doing the same thing, but just this section here. They're literally launched on pump.fun, pull back, and then they start literally trending and potentially could become viral. Now remember, again, I say this on all my videos, most coins will fail and go to zero. However, some coins will decide to go to 50 million first and then go to zero, or 10 million and then go to zero. And then obviously you've got a smaller percentage of coins that don't ever go to zero. They go into the hundreds of millions. That's why we're here trading meme coins. Okay, so on the main page, after you've clicked the top left, the logo, go into the top right, click on filters. So a few things we want to do here. What we want to do is want to make sure there's some obviously liquidity, but we want to add market cap. And I've added here 200,000 to 11 million. And the reason for that is, as I've explained before in my videos, the sweet spot when you're buying meme coins is anywhere from 1 million to 5 million. Ideally, you go down to 500,000 and you can go up maybe up to 10 million, but no more than that. This is because the risk is always the same with meme coins. With a lot of them, is a risk of it dumping 30-40% before we can get out of a position. Now, if that's the risk overall, the reward has to be worth it. It's only worth it at those lower market caps where you can make big multiples. And the reason I put 200,000 minimum is because anything under that, and the coin's probably dead anyway, so you wouldn't want to mess about with it. And if you go further down, 1 hour transactions, we want to know what's trending right now, not over the day, because it may be dead now or it may have gone up too much in price. So 1 hour transactions 250, 1 hour volume at least 30,000. That's it, simple. Don't overfilter any more than that. Now you can trade on Solana. You could trade Base, Ethereum, whatever you like. I prefer Solana because a lot of my software bots that I use all link up with Solana really well. It's very easy chain to trade with, gets really good pumps when there's new narratives. So here you can select whichever one you want. I've selected Solana. And then after you've done all that, click apply. Now what you want to do is you want to sort here the 5 minute. So if you sort by 5 minute, this is what's trending right now. And what you do is you open all of these in new tabs and you have a look at the chart and we take it from there. So I've got this one open up here. And this one, well, obviously I can't pronounce the name because it's in Japanese or Chinese, but that's okay. Have a look at the Twitter. And what is this one? So this is an Elon Musk tweet. Now, I'm not going to go into every single one we talk about today, and I'm not going to show you exactly why I think the Twitter might be good or not. That's for you to research, and we don't want to make this video obviously too long. But there's easy ways to do that. So let me show you a couple of tricks. All you do is you go down in the right here, click on where it says search on Twitter, search by the name or contract address. And when you do that, other people will have written about it, and they'll give you a little bit more information on what the hell is going on with this ticker. It saves you time. It saves you a lot of time by doing this. So you can do that too. Anyway, going back to the chart, you can see it bounced off 1 million, sold off. You should know by now, if you're watching my videos, you never ever buy at 1 million. Do you know why? Have a think about that if you're new. Why do you not buy at 1 million? Answer simple. It's where professional traders like myself and many hundreds of thousands of others, we're taking profits here because we know that's a psychological resistance level. That's why you get these big sell-offs. But we don't care about the sell-offs for buying now. For buying, we want to know where does it dip to. Ideally, I don't want it dipping too much under 300. This already has, which is okay. But now, can it make a higher low, which it has, and a higher high? It's this pattern we want, because this is potentially an uptrend forming and is a volume coming in. There's some volume in this first pump, but now the volume's dying off. With these brand new coins, you need volume to sustain. As I've said in my videos all throughout the year, for those of you following me for a while, volume's what moves these markets in meme coins. Like, end of story. There's no volume, it's not going to go anywhere. If the volume keeps going down, it's just going to die off. End of story. A lot of them will. Like, these are the risks you take. But remember, this, even from here, if it got trending, if it got volume, it doesn't look like it will get, but if it did get, and it got to 2 million, literally from here, that's a 10x. Like, nearly a 10x. So it's like 1 sold to 10 sold. That's why we trade meme coins. Like, this is the kind of moves you're looking for. Obviously, if this goes crazy and becomes something much bigger, like a few of these TikTok ones you've seen going around, and it gets to 20 million, that's 100x from here. So we're talking big multiples and potential. That's why we risk it, because we know many of them will not make it. That's okay. Take the losses, move on to the next one. Hundreds of coins to trade every single day. So I clicked on an older one here as well. Again, just trending in the 5 minutes. And I know this one because when the AI meta was launching, I remember this one. It's on one of my watch lists somewhere. And it pumped for a short while and then died. Now, obviously, it's pumping very likely because there's some news around P. Diddy. But more than likely, like, I don't even know. Go onto Twitter, research it and stuff like that. But it's trending, and it's trending really hard. And right now, it ran up to 10, nearly 8, pull back. So pull back very deep all the way to 1 psychological level, maybe pumping again. A lot of volume coming in, 30 million. That can't be ignored. So again, this is the thing. Like, this could die from here. Like, we don't know. It could just be a temporary pump and it could die. Or here's the alternative. And by the way, when they initially pump like this, out of the blue, when they've been completely dead, it's normal to have massive dumps because a lot of people want to take the profits for getting in so early. So these are the really early guys, like much earlier than me. But obviously I would have potentially could have seen this earlier in the day because this was a few hours ago. But anyway, it's not the end of the world. It's dumping, but now it's 5-minute trending again. If this becomes a little bit of a narrative, even for a couple of days, this could easily have a couple of pumps and then call it a day at 20 million or something like that. Maybe go more, who knows? So that's how it works. And I can show you chart after chart after chart, but this is brilliant because this is old coins and new coins. This is one of the bots I use, Bullex, and it's very good. You see a link in the description below, free to use. Click on the link and you'll get an invite and you should be able to sign up from there if you're new. And this, you go to the left, once you've set it up, put some Solana into the wallet, etc. Go into the explore page. It's a similar concept here. So on the 5-minute, we're looking at trending at the moment. And then you could do the same thing. You can filter. You can filter exactly. So if you prefer to do it on here so you can quickly open up, trade at the same time, you could do it that way too. So we're just going through the same steps. But the good thing here is it shows you a couple of extra bits in terms of information here, in terms of you've got the holders, liquidity, volume, everything here as well, but also a little bit of a price trend graph. But apart from that, like I said before, you still need to open up the charts. The good thing about the newer ones here, the ones I've just launched, you can have a look at the holders here as well. So if you scroll down here, you can do some quick holder analysis, which is important to, especially with the newer launch coins. So if you click on holders here, you could check top 13 count, and you see these rat signs. So this is an immediate scam. So stay away from this. And what's happening here, it could be several different things. There's several different types, but basically is bundling. So people are buying, a person's buying a big amount of the supply, a large amount, and splitting it across different wallets. So buying with multiple wallets. And this can be picked up. You can use bots for this as well, or you can just basically have a look here and you'll see like danger signs. And that's why this top 10 doesn't really help in this particular scenario, because 13% looks safe, it is, but it won't pick up on the bundling. And this helps warn you, because this chart otherwise looks, I mean, I could just tell from the chart, by the way, but I have that experience that this looks like a sketchy chart because it doesn't look organic. The volume doesn't, the price doesn't. Just to show you the difference, look at this chart. So let me just remove the drawings. Well, we'll get on to a 1 second because we don't have like a 30-second or anything. But when you go early on here, look at the volume bars, look at the price. You see how erratic price is? That's how it's supposed to be. We're human beings. This is normal behavior of human beings. Randomly jeeting out of positions, aping in and stuff like that, volume up and down in terms of buys. That's what a normal chart looks like. So when you have a more experience, you'll just recognize that the chart immediately looks a bit scammy anyway. Next video, I'll be announcing my community and how you could get access. So definitely make sure you've got your notifications on. Make sure you're following me on Twitter as well. Thanks for listening.